I love the way you sound. Your voice and